Hello students, I am Sister Sinija, your English teacher. I hope you are in good health and cheer. As the government continually insists, stay home, stay healthy, stay safe. I understand you miss your classroom, teachers, friends and St. Elizabeth campus. And the campus is vacuum without you. We hope to meet together soon.
It's a time of lockdown. The caterpillar goes into the stage of pupa for 21 days and come out as a beautiful butterfly. So also the school look forward to welcome the renewed students. The time of lockdown might have changed your thinking, feeling and behavior. Once again, it reminds us of the uncertainty of human life. Human beings have to take responsibility of one's life. So, students, it is time to start with academics. The first topic of our preparation is English composition. I request all the students to prepare a notebook for English composition and grammar. The notebook can be of 100 pages. The students have to prepare a neatly written note which has to be given for checking at the time of reopening of the school. Composition. The purpose of composition is to assess students' skill of expressing ideas in clear and grammatically correct English. Writing a clear description, a clear account of events, expanding notes into a piece of writing, or transcending information from one form to another. Gujarat State Board follows the NCERT books. In SSC board exam, the composition part has almost 31 marks questions. As students are in lockdown, it is a good idea to make use of your quality time to improve the skill of writing, which in turn can cover the 30% of your syllabus for SSC board exam.
Topics of composition: diary or dialogue writing, poster, notice or advertisement, report, letter, formal, informal, email, formal, informal, essay or story, unseen prose comprehension, unseen poem comprehension.
The topic of our discussion today is poster making. What is poster making? A poster is any piece of printed paper designed to be attached to a wall or vertical surface. It includes both text and pictures, but can be either of them. It comes under the category of a short essay. Objective is to create awareness. Why do people make posters? Or what is the purpose of poster making? It is to create awareness about any social cause, for example, water pollution, drug addiction, etc. Advertisement, for example, sale of any products. political propaganda by any party, information about upcoming event or a program, affirmation to appreciate a student for good result or any other achievement, pin a poster to adorn the wall. Format of poster making: tagline, title or name of the event, special attractions, illustration with a caption, date and time, entry fees and other relevant information, contact information, name of issuing authority. Tagline of the event: a catchy tagline for the occasion. It should be clearly visible, thus it can be bold, underlined or in capitals. Title of the event: it should be short. Special attractions: this is optional. Illustration: it involves pictorial representation. Date, time and venue: it is only for an event. Contact information: the targeted audience should have someone to contact to. Other relevant information: if there is any other information mentioned in the question and is supposed to be there in the poster, it has to be mentioned. Issuing authority: by whom or by which organization the poster is being published, with email ID. Things to remember: the word limit is of 50 words. It should be in a box. Double check for grammatical accuracy and spellings. Make sure it fits within one page only. Use sharpened pencils. Bold or underline important information. Each composition has to be written on a fresh page during the exam. Parts of a poster with font size. Title, biggest font size. Body of the poster, that is captions, slogans, pictures and cartoons can be smaller font size than the title. Concluding line: issuing authority, the smallest font size. A poster on social awareness. The topic is drug addiction. Title: Don't hug the drug. It is the biggest font size and it can be underlined. Body includes pictures, slogans and caption. The font size is smaller than the title. Slogan: drugs lead to death. Leave drugs and live life. Caption: drug addiction, endless affliction. Concluding line: name of the issuing authority with email address. in the smallest font size. Date and time is not mentioned since it is not the poster of an event. Dear students, I hope you have understood about poster making. It is time to give a try. Question for homework. You are a student of St. Elizabeth School, Anja. Prepare a poster on COVID-19 for any one of the following purposes: social cause, awareness creation, advertisement for mask or sanitary items, information, protection of self by following healthy diet and exercises, affirmation to appreciate the government initiatives, individuals or any other agencies, pin a poster to adorn the wall. I hope you have enjoyed the session. I'll be back again with another topic. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Thank you.